Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your 4,000 watch hour faster using silent live stream. It's something that I have done, so I have experienced it, I have done it, and it has worked for me, so I have the right to talk about it, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to go live with Restream, okay? If you go through your YouTube, you see that Restream has been trending, okay? So, and it's something I have used and it has worked for me. It has helped me get one of my channels monetized. So, and I'm here to tell you that it can also work for you. So first of all, there are things you need to avoid while using Restream, okay? First, even if you want to use videos that you got somewhere else, make sure you edit that video very well to become yours. Make sure you react on that video very well to become yours. Don't just carry someone's video and come and restream it, okay? You are going to get copyright issues, you're going to get strike. Don't restream someone's video. I will even advise for you to make your own videos and restream your videos instead of using someone else's video, because you might get copyright strike if you didn't use it very well. Go ahead and use your own video, okay? And then if you want to put sound in your videos, make sure you get the sounds from YouTube library, because if you get it from somewhere else that actually say that it is free sound, later on they might actually come and claim that sound, okay? It has happened to me. I have gotten a sound from a site that said it is free for me to use that sound, and later I found out that the sound has copyright issue that have already started claiming the sound, okay? So for you to avoid all those copyright claims on all that in your videos, just go ahead and use YouTube library sounds for your videos and for your restream, okay? So without this being said, let me show you how you can actually restream, okay? So you can actually do this with your phone or with your laptop, whichever one you are using. You can do this with it. So go to your browser, any browser you are using, go there and type restream.io. Type restream.io. It's going to bring this page for you. Click on get started, okay? You are going to log in with the email you use for your YouTube, okay? Type in the email and the password you use for your YouTube. So once you type in the email and password, then click on sign up, okay? Remember, the email and password you use for your YouTube, not any other email. The one you use for your YouTube, the email and the password. So once you type it in, click on sign up, okay? So it's going to bring you into this place. So it's telling me welcome back because I'm already using Restream. So I'm going to type in my own email and my password right now, and I'm going to log in. But if you have not registered, you are going to be seeing sign up, okay? So you go ahead and sign up while I go ahead and log in into my own, okay? So once you log in, this page will show. Okay, so once this page show, what you are going to do is click on this new stream up, okay? Cancel this new update that is showing, then click on new stream. I don't know if you can see this new stream up here, okay? So click on that new stream up. So once you click on that new stream up, it's going to bring you inside the studio, inside the Restream studio. So let's go ahead and click on it, new stream. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you into this interface, create a new stream. So you are going to click on Restream Studio. Restream Studio, the first one there. Click on Restream Studio. It's going to bring you into this interface. So you can see that my own is already showing because my account is already logged in here. So you are going to click on Enter Studio. So click on enter studio. If you log in with your YouTube account, you start seeing your YouTube picture there. So you will see your YouTube already there if you logged in with your YouTube email. So once you click on enter studio, they're going to show you some things you need to allow. So allow mic, allow camera, and allow all this and that. So you are going to click on enter studio. So you can go ahead and off your mic and off your camera, because I always turn off my mic and camera because I don't want to speak or show my face. So I always turn off my mic and camera. Then once you turn off your phone, your mic and camera, so that your background noise will not enter, click on enter studio. Okay, so once you enter studio, my own will be your own will be showing empty because you don't have any video yet inside your own. But me that already have video, my own is already showing the video I have inside my Restream. Remember, your own will not be showing any video because you don't have video yet, but I'm going to be showing you how to put in your video. So you're going to click on that three dotted line down there, then click on video. It's going to show you where to upload your video. So click on upload. You are allowed to upload only 3 videos. So you click on upload, select the video you want to upload, click on it, and then go ahead and upload the video. Remember, don't repeat video. So once you finish restreaming with that particular video you uploaded, remember to delete it and upload another one. Don't restream multiple times. Don't restream your video twice. Okay, so once you finish uploading the video, so make sure you leave your video in this state. Okay, leave it in that first one, in that horizontal one. Leave it there, don't change it to any other. You can see different ones that we have there, but leave it in that first one, in that horizontal state. The first, yeah, this one, the first one, leave it there. Don't leave it in landscape. That other one, don't put it in landscape. Make sure you leave it in the horizontal, this one that is showing you here, because that's how you can attract more viewers. If you leave it in the horizontal state, not vertical state or any other one that is there, you attract more viewers when you leave it in this state. Okay, you can see this vertical one, you can see the vertical one. No, it is not allowed. The vertical state is not allowed. Make sure you always leave it in this state, horizontal. Okay, so take note of this, and I'm telling you, so that you will get viewers more. If you leave it in this horizontal state, you will get viewers more. Okay, remember to always edit your video very well. So another thing you are going to do is to loop your video. That is what is called looping. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to loop your video, and then remember to always put your title. Change titles. Okay, put your titles. You can see this pen icon up here. Put your titles. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to loop your video. After looping your video, you can go ahead and then click on go live, and then stream as you can stream up to 11 hours, but don't pass 11 hours. Okay, you can stream up to 11 hours. Go ahead and put your titles and everything and click on next. Okay, you can stream up to 11 hours, but don't pass 11 hours. Okay, so let me show you how to loop. Okay, this is how to loop. You can see that 3 dotted line up here. Click on it. You are going to see loop. Click on loop. Once it tick that code, know that you have already looped your video. So your video will continue playing over and over and over and over again until you end the live stream. Okay, so this is actually how to use your Restream. Okay, if you find value in this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, comment, share to your friends. Thank you so much.